Hi there, Tony DeBonis here with Starline Windows. Today I'd like to give a quick little demonstration on how to properly install your Wicket style screen on your casement window. So what we have here is a TH over O, so it's an awning over a picture window in our 7100 series casement window. Now depending on the original purchaser, whether that was your builder, contractor, or original homeowner, they may have purchased a window system with a cam handle like this one here. So I'm going to give you a quick little demonstration of how to properly install this Wicket style screen on this window frame. So the first thing you want to do is actually, before you install your screens, always give your window frame a wipe. Because once you put your screen on there, it's going to be harder to access the little crevices and ledges here. So my favorite little thing is Windex. You can get the glass, you can do the frame a bit, with a nice clean cloth, wipe off all the dust or residue. If you've got little rub marks here or something like that that's stuck on there, you can try some Vim. Vim seems to work pretty good. And if it's still a little bit stubborn, what I like to use is a little bit of steel wool or a really fine grained sandpaper, and just give that a little rub. A little more Vim. And I think we got her. Oh yeah, nice and clean now. So yeah, always, it's important to do, of course, annual maintenance on your window frames and glass, but before you install your screens, always give it a nice clean wipe. So the Wicket style screen is probably the most forgiving screen to actually install, meaning there's no perfect spot to put it. There's no exact spot to put it, I should say. It's oversized for the opening. So what you're basically doing is centering that Wicket door over that cam handle there. So anywhere just kind of like that, you just want to center it. So we're just going to do that. And I just noticed I got to take this little blue poly off. So I'm going to take this protective wrap off this cam handle. Voila, we are done. So what we have is we have some fasteners with the swivel clips. So you just insert the screw into that swivel clip. And these are going to, I just got 4 here, and those are going to fasten the screen to the window frame. So what I like to do is put that screw into the driver bit, number 8 bit, and like I said, just kind of center that, and I always like to put the screen tabs, that looks good there to me. I never put it on the T-bar, so if you do have a mullion in your window system, never fasten it to the mullion because you're going to hit some steel in there anyways. So always go to the window frame, and personally my preference too is to never put them on the sides here, because if they do loosen off, your screen could have a tendency to slide down. So I always make sure the screen is centered, okay, and I put it on the underside of the screen. So I'm just going to put that there. Just put that in tight enough so the swivel clip can actually turn. So I'm just going to back it off, and now you can actually turn that swivel clip. Okay, there we go, right there. And the other one, now what you can do is actually mark it, but I'm a typical man that never really reads instructions. I'll just eyeball it. Let me move over to this side. Sorry to put my back to you. Again, we're not going to put it on the mullion. You're going to put it just underneath this screen corner. You put the swivel tab just underneath there. And there we go. Got 2 fasteners in there. Voila, that's already pinching it in there perfectly. And now we just got to do the 2 top ones. May as well complete this 100% for the viewers here. So again, I'm just going to put my back to you a little bit here, maybe on this one. I'm a righty, so, and what you want to do is for visual aspects basically is line up the bottom swivel with the top swivel. So because I went there, I'm going to go right on top of here and on the frame, put that swivel tab right up to the screen corner. Perfect there. And my last one here, I'll try to do with my left hand. Again, we're just gonna go right on top of this one so it looks appealing visually. So put this up there, left hand. And just so it's snug. So there you have it. That's how you successfully install your Wicket style screen on your casement style window that has a cam handle. You open this up, make your window accessible, and you can open your window for ventilation. Lock it, close your trapdoor. And that's how you do it. So for any more frequently asked questions, how-to videos, go to our YouTube channel, follow us, like, share, or visit us on our website at www.starlinewindows.com. We look forward to hearing from you.